Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and problems on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now here with us today, we happen to have an LG K51 that is originally from Metro PCS here in the US, and this device is a one that has the Google Account Lock enabled. As we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset, and to continue, we have to sign in with a previous Google account that was on it. And that's basically what the Google Lock consists of. Google added it as a security measure back in about Android 5 or so to help combat some of the theft and fraud that happens around the buying and selling of used mobile devices these days. So basically, when you factory reset an Android device without first removing the Google account that's on it, it's then going to ask you to log into that same account again as a security measure after the reset has been performed. And only that previous Google account will let you in, so you're not able to use just any old Google account. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or couldn't recover their login information, or because they were sold the device by a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the lock was enabled, and then obviously after the buyer made the purchase, they discovered the lock was in place, and of course they didn't have the previous login information, and the seller had long since disappeared. So it's a very common scam that unfortunately happens all the time these days when it comes to buying and selling used mobile devices. So we are making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get that type of lock removed from this model without having to have the previous Google login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and that's actually what we're running right here, right now, so that you can all actually see the before and after as proof that we can actually do it. Now, the great thing about this procedure is that it's something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. The unlock program has just about finished up doing its thing. We just need another few seconds here to finish up the last final steps. And then after that, we should be able to see that the device can restart and that we can indeed get all the way through the setup process without seeing that Google lock. So give it just a second here to finish up the last step or two. Okay, and we should be all set now. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect it and let it start up. Got the Metro logo there, of course. Okay, and now we are at our welcome screen, so we're going to go ahead and just start going through all the steps here one by one. We're going to skip through the initial things, and then after that, it's going to go to checking for updates. And then we're not going to copy any apps and data, so we're going to say to not do that. And then now you'll notice that it's asking us to sign in with any Google account. It doesn't give us that message about needing to have the previous one that we were seeing before. So we're going to go ahead and just skip that and keep going through the rest of everything else. Agree to the Google services, and we don't need a screen lock, so we're just going to skip that for now. And we don't need any extra apps. And agree to the terms and conditions. And then we should be all set. We should have our home screen loading up here. Yep, and there we are. So we have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on it. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So indeed, under the About Phone section, we can indeed see that we have an LG K51, and then that model number there, the K500MM. That is the model number of the Metro PCS version of the K51. So if you have a K51 from Metro and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for tons of different models of devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.